Do you have a lot of citrus waste at home? This craft is for you. Hello friends, welcome to Shallows Artistry. Take any stick of your choice. I'm using coconut sticks here. I'd say preferably use a stick that has one end that is thin and one end that is quite broader. And for coloring, I'm using fabric paint. You can use any paint, acrylic paint is okay, enamel paint, or any paint that doesn't tend to peel off and come. And after this, you can give a layer of varnish because insects can ruin your artwork. After the coloring is done, now you're all set. For this artwork, I'm using Musambi, sweet lemon. You can use any sort of citrus variety. And all you have to do is remove the seeds separately, wash it and dry it thoroughly. Apply some hot glue and start layering these seeds one after the other on the stick. Arrange it in a random manner, make it look natural. And while sticking, you will find that there are some space in between, a little bit of gap. That is all natural, it looks good. Keep going until you cover at least quarter of the stick. Recycling seeds and using them in artwork is a beautiful art, but problem is that after making it, to give it a long-lasting life matters, because these ants and all sort of small bugs tends to ruin your artwork. So it is essential that you add a layer of varnish or transparent nail polish to protect them and give them a long-lasting life. Also, it looks glossy after applying transparent nail polish or a layer of varnish. For coloring, I'm using acrylic paint. Do not mix water along with it. After coloring, let it dry under the sunlight. For the leaves, I'm using citrus skin. I've cut it neatly and dried it under the sun, and also making sure it doesn't have any moisture in it. And after it is completely dry, only then I'm painting. It's not necessary to give any base layer, you can just paint it directly. And after painting, this also has to be given a layer of varnish or transparent nail polish. Both the sides can be colored. I've also taken some grains and colored it, it's completely optional. This is just an extra layer, you can also use pollens for that. Now let's stick everything together and make a flower bunch. And for sticking, I would highly recommend you to use only hot glue, because using any other glue is quite a hard work, I would say, because we'll have to be holding it for a very long time. It doesn't instantly stick, and even if it sticks, there's a high possibility of it falling off. Here our lavender blossoms are ready. It has to be given a layer of varnish. Here I have not given, so that is the reason why it doesn't look that much glossy. And we can arrange all of them together and place it in a flower vase. You can also make a miniature version of the same thing using lemon or lime and see how amazing it looks, and it is completely cost effective. For more ideas like this on art out of waste and craft out of complete scrap, we have a lot of videos in our channel. Do check them, and if you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends and family who are interested in crafts. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe Shallows Artistry for more such videos, and also press the bell button. Thank you.